Hello and welcome. I'm Steve and I'm glad you're here. Let's take a little time just for you. If this is your first meditation, you are very welcome. Now, this is week 4 of an 8-part meditation series, which is designed to help you gradually relax the body, calm the mind, and build a sense of inner stillness. If you've listened to the previous meditations in this series, you'll remember we spent time relaxing with the breath, gently relaxing the body, and calming the mind. Today we'll deepen that relaxation by becoming grounded and being in the present. So, wherever you're listening from, at home, after work, or in a quiet moment, just allow yourself these next few minutes. But before we begin, I'd just like to say a few words about grounding and presence. When we talk about being grounded, we simply mean feeling connected, steady, and here in the moment, rather than caught up in the thoughts and distractions of the day. It's something really very natural, we often do it without even realising. Perhaps when we're walking, in my case, love gardening, or just pausing and taking a breath. So in this meditation, we'll gently bring out our awareness into the body and into the present moment, helping the mind settle and the body feel more at ease. There's nothing complicated here, just allow yourself to be present in a calm and simple way. And many people find this helps the body relax and settle naturally, and I'll guide you through that as we go along. So let's begin. Find somewhere comfortable to sit. Now, sitting is ideal as it helps you remain aware, but if you prefer to lie down, well, do you know what? That's absolutely fine. Once you're settled in, gently allow your eyes to close, if that feels comfortable. Begin by breathing naturally. There's no need to change anything, just a gentle, easy breath. As you breathe in, feel the air entering your body and allow your tummy to gently expand. And as you breathe out, just let your body soften. Breathing in, gently expanding, and breathing out, softening. And allow your shoulders to drop, releasing any tension. And just let the breath find its own natural rhythm. Now we'll begin to relax the body. Starting at the top of your head, bring your awareness there and allow your muscles to soften, letting go of any tension. Just relax your face, your jaw, letting it loosen. Your eyelids soft and relaxed. And now your neck and your shoulders, a place where we often hold tension, and just allow them to drop and soften. Your arms should be resting comfortably and your hands relaxed. Your chest now should be soft and your back supported. Your tummy gently rising and falling with the breath. Allow your hips to settle and your legs relax. Your knees soft. And your feet resting comfortably on the floor. Grounded and supported. Take a moment just to notice and feel the stillness of your body. Now just check in with your breath, still natural, still easy. And if your mind begins to wander, and it happens to all of us, perhaps to the thoughts of the day or things to do, just gently bring your attention back to the feeling of your breathing. No effort required, just noticing. Now take a moment here, simply resting in this stillness. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. And now, if you're comfortable, allow your imagination to gently carry you. You find yourself on a gently sloping hill in the countryside, surrounded by green fields with dry stone walls. The day is warm and the sun shines brightly, and clouds drift lazily by. The breeze brushes against your face as you begin a gentle walk, and walking is easy and effortless. In the distance, you see an old, large tree in the corner of a field, and you decide to explore it. As you approach the tree, you see how old it looks, with a large trunk and a canopy of green leaves moving easily in the breeze. Perhaps it's like one of the old trees that you may have seen that's stood through many seasons, standing quietly through time, steady, rooted, present and at ease. As you walk up to the tree, you reach out and feel the texture of the bark. Is it rough or smooth? Is it warm or cool? The breeze has dropped now, and all around you feels still and quiet. The sun breaks through the leaves above you to create a delicate pattern on the grass. As you stand next to the tree, you feel the earth beneath you, perhaps noticing the weight of your body, supported and held. The tree doesn't rush, it simply stands, present. You don't need to do anything. Just be here. Imagine the roots emerging from the soles of your feet, gently extending down into the earth. Feel them going deeper and deeper. Nothing needs to happen in this moment, and nothing needs to change. This moment is enough. Feel the stillness of your body. Feel the ground beneath your feet. You are restful. You are at peace. You may begin to notice a sense of real calm. Thoughts may come and go, just like the weather, but you remain still, steadfast, just like the tree has always been. As the sun begins to lower in the sky, you see the clouds absolutely beautiful with shades of pinks and oranges and reds. The scene now slowly and gently fades away. One day, I hope you may return here to this tranquil grounding place. And now, you find yourself back in the room, becoming aware of your body, the chair beneath you, the floor beneath your feet. You perhaps notice the sounds around you. You can gently begin to move your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Welcome back, and well done. So I just want you to take a moment now to notice how you feel. Perhaps you feel a little calmer, a little lighter, or just simply more present. With regular practice, even with a few minutes just like this, you can make a meaningful difference. And I want to thank you for taking this time just for yourself today. If this meditation has helped you feel grounded and in the present, you might like to return to it again or explore the other meditations in the series. Next time, we'll gently explore letting go and feeling that emotional ease, something that can be deeply supportive in everyday life. If you feel this could help someone else, then please, you're very welcome to share it. And until then, please take care of yourself, and I look forward to you joining me again soon. My very, very best wishes.